Hi, we're Snuti, a husband and wife game dev team.
This is our bonus channel, welcome! Here we'll be uploading Twitch streams and other long-form content a bit different from our main channel.
We do game dev streams every Saturday morning at 8 AM Central European time, so if you want to catch us live, be sure to check us out then. Make sure to check out our main channel where we upload all of our game dev vlogs and other game dev related stuff like tutorials and fun stuff.
If you want to say hi to us or play our games or find us on other social medias, there's lots of links down below, so check them out.
Clicky, clicky, clicky.
In the meantime, enjoy our past streams and things we upload on this channel, and we wish you a very good day and a lovely week.
And remember to
hit that like and subscribe, smash it if you like. Now, be awesome until next time.
So, Christer, how you doing this weekend, eh? Hey, come on.
You know, it's been quite spiffing. Enjoyed my stream and now we're gonna be playing some Age of Empires.
Age of Empires, what's that like?
Oh, you know, the definitive edition. It's top quality, man. That's what we do together. We have good time.
Yes, so this is what you need to spread, guys. Have lots of positivity, lots of virtual hugs. Just help out, you know? That's all you need to do.
Yeah, that's a good note to end it on.
Yep.